Okay, so we've created our account, we've confirmed the confirmation email, and now we're logged in. So we can see this is the dashboard. Very simple layout. We have no links found because we don't have any links in the system yet. So let's go ahead and add our first link. Now I went ahead and set up a couple of test sites. One will represent the site where our link is supposed to be found. The other will represent the site where the link is supposed to be pointing to. So the source URL is source.rmylinksup.com. Destination URL is destination.rmylinksup.com. Target URL. Anchor text is just anchor text, just for testing. We'll say contact name Billy Bob Wilson. BillyBob@wilson.com. So there we go. Our link has been added. We can see the status is queued. That basically means that the link has not been checked yet. The queue is processed on a regular basis, so it'll be a very short time till that status changes. So we've got do follow. That means it's supposed to be do followed. This is the anchor text that should be found there. This is the target URL, which is where our link should be pointing to. And the source URL is where our link should be found. We've got contact info here in case the link changes or gets removed or something. We can easily contact this guy if you have a contact for that particular link. So the question is, what happens if something about the link changes? The whole point of this app is that it tracks the page rank of the source URL where your link is placed and detects if that changes. If that changes, it'll notify you. If the link changes in any way, if it's removed, the app will notify you. If it's no followed, the app will notify you. If the page rank drops, it'll notify you. So right now the status is queued. Let's see what happens after the system has had a chance to process the queue. Okay, so we've given the queue about 20 minutes to process all the links, and here we are. Status says OK now. We can see the page rank has been updated to 0 because that's the page rank of the site where our link is placed right now. So that's good. It read that the link was there. It read that the link was do followed. So it says OK. If you see a green OK here, everything is fine with the link. So let's change the link to add a no follow attribute and see how the system responds. Okay, so we've given the system a little bit more time to recheck the link, and now we've got an error message under status. So if we expand this item, we can see link is no followed. So it found the rel no follow attribute, updated the link status, changed it to no follow. So let's go to our email. Here's our email. You have new link notifications. The following changes were recorded on our last check of your links. So it's showing our source pointing to the destination. It's telling us the link no follow attribute went from do follow to no follow. You'll get a similar email if the PR changes. If the PR goes down, it'll say page rank went from 4 to 3. You'll get a similar email if the link was removed. It'll say link went from found to not found. So anything that changes, you'll immediately get a notification via email so that you can act on that change. Either contact the person who you've got this link with, or go check out the website if it's a property you own and see if it's down or something like that. But the point is, the system monitors your links for you, so you don't have to spend a bunch of time tracking all these links, visiting websites, and all this kind of stuff that takes all this time. So I hope you enjoy the application. Have fun.